Hello everyone. I wanted to share with y'all this new Sengled light strip that I bought. When it comes to lighting up my house, I love using the Sengled products. I use the light bulbs in almost every room in this house, and today I'm going to be using the light strip to add some light to my kitchen. I'm going to use this light strip for under my kitchen cabinets, and I am so excited because it works with Alexa and you'll be able to control them with your Alexa devices. So let's get this box open and get it together. So in the box, you'll find, of course, your light strips, and then there's also the power cord. But the light strip also has this adhesive, so it's super easy to stick wherever you're going to stick it, which is the main reason why I bought this. It's so easy to install. You have your power button, which will manually turn the lights off and on when you're not controlling it with Alexa. Um, and then there is the power plug in here as well. So now that we've got everything unboxed, let's set these up under the cabinets and get them set in. First thing you want to do first before you start sticking them is plug that in and then take this part here and plug it into the top. And then you are ready to go. You're going to then plug it in to the wall into an outlet, and then you can place the lights wherever you want to. As I mentioned, I'm using them to add a little bit of light to my kitchen, and this was a simple way to do so. Alexa, turn fourth light red. Alexa, turn fourth light green. Okay. Alexa, turn fourth light purple. Okay. Alexa, turn fourth light warm white. Okay. Just showing y'all the Alexa capability there, but like I said, I love these lights. They're easy to install. I can't recommend them more. So go grab yourself some now.